Does SQLAlchemy have an equivalent of Django's get_or_create? I want to get an object from the database if it already exists, based on provided parameters, or create it if it does not. Django's get_or_create, or source, does this. Is there an equivalent shortcut in SQLAlchemy? I'm currently writing it out explicitly like this.
That's basically the way to do it. There is no shortcut readily available as far as I know. You could generalize it, of course. (2020 update, Python 3.9 plus only). Here is a cleaner version with Python 3.9 s the new dict union operator, vertical bar equals. Note: similar to the Django version, this will catch duplicate key constraints and similar errors. If your get or create is not guaranteed to return a single result, it can still result in race conditions. To alleviate some of that issue, you would need to add another _or_none style fetch right after the session.commit. This still is no 100% guarantee against race conditions unless you also use a with underscore for underscore update or serializable transaction mode.
Following the solution of @Wolf, this is the code that worked for me, simple version. With this, I'm able to get _or_create any object of my model. Suppose my model object is to get or create my object, I write
I've been playing with this problem and have ended up with a fairly robust solution. I just wrote a fairly expansive blog post on all the details, but a few quite ideas of why I used this. It unpacks to a tuple that tells you if the object existed or not. This can often be useful in your workflow. The function gives the ability to work with a class method decorated creator functions and attributes specific to them. The solution protects against race conditions when you have more than one process connected to the data store. Edit: I've changed session.commit to session.flush as explained in this blog post. Note that these decisions are specific to the data store used, Postgre in this case. Edit 2, I've updated using a as a default value in the function as this is typical Python gotcha. Thanks for the comment, Nigel. If you're curious about this gotcha, check out this Stack Overflow question and this blog post.
A modified version of Eric's excellent answer. Use a nested transaction to only roll back the addition of the new item instead of rolling back everything. See this answer to use nested transactions with SQLite. Move create _ method. If the created object has relations and it is assigned members through those relations, it is automatically added to the session. For example, create a book, which has user _ it and user as corresponding relationship, then doing book.user equals user object inside of create _ method will add book to the session. This means that create _ method must be inside with to benefit from an eventual rollback. Note that begin _ nested automatically triggers a flush. Note that if using MySQL, the transaction isolation level must be set to read committed rather than repeatable read for this to work. Django's get _ or _ create, and here, uses the same stratagem. See also the Django documentation.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.